Hey Kayla, thanks for meeting me here. I know it was such short notice. Did you get some coffee yet?
Hey April, you're welcome. It's okay, and yes, I did get coffee. So what did you want?
I just stole $10 million from my boss's company. I put it in an offshore account in Brazil.
Wow. Girl, I don't know if I should talk to you anymore.
You're lost. I was going to give you $2 million to help me get out of the country. I need you to buy me a ticket to Paris.
Well, if you give me $5 million and it's a deal, but I have to go to Paris with you.
Not no, but heck no, cause I am taking all the risk. You won't be looked at for stealing it. $2.5 million or nothing.
Fine, $2.5 million, but I got to go cause I have a reason why.
Why? I don't care, but we will have to take separate flights. That way I can have you taken care of.
Cause I killed my family. Plus if they catch me I will go to jail. I can't go to jail. See you in Paris.